Ain't nothing gonna take my fire. Nobody gonna make me a liar. Gonna get up if I get down low.
Let's
yeah.
go.
Get down. But I keep on climbing.
It's time for the very first ever Mud Cup Invitational.
It's a competition designed by racers for racers.
10 people compete for over $100,000 worth of prizes.
I love being the one that everyone's trying to take down.
This is a business for me. I'm trying to pay my bills and feed my family.
Nothing makes me more excited, proving women can do anything.
I just feel like I had a purpose in life, and I'll do whatever it takes to win. They like to get in your head.
There's no more friends in racing.
There's a little tension.
You.
Mud Madness, new season, July 29th on Discovery and stream next day on Max.
Climbing.